Hello and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we grow wisdom right alongside our gardens. Today we're diving deep into the watering can, because the truth is most gardeners, beginners and even seasoned ones are making at least one of these 5 watering mistakes, and it could be the reason your plants aren't thriving like they should. Let's jump right in with the first big one: watering too often. It's a common misconception that daily watering is best, especially during sunny weather, but watering every day can actually do more harm than good. Why? Because frequent shallow watering encourages shallow root systems. Your plants become lazy, depending on surface water instead of developing strong, deep roots. Instead, water deeply and less frequently. This way, the moisture penetrates deeper, encouraging roots to grow down and anchor the plant better. Mistake number 2 is watering at the wrong time of day. Watering during the hottest part of the day, usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., is incredibly inefficient. Most of that precious water evaporates before it even reaches the roots, especially if you're overhead watering. The best time to water is early morning, just as the sun rises. This gives the plants time to absorb the moisture before the heat sets in, and it also allows the foliage to dry, reducing the risk of fungal infections. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, watering the leaves instead of the soil. Many gardeners use sprinklers or pour water over the tops of their plants, but here's the truth. Your plant doesn't drink through its leaves. Water should go to the base of the plant, directly into the soil where the roots can access it. Wet leaves can attract mildew, pests, and rot. Always aim your watering at the soil, not the foliage. Mistake 4 is not checking the soil before watering. You know, we often assume the soil is dry just by looking at the surface, but honestly, appearances can be deceiving. The top layer may look dry, while the soil just an inch down is still moist. So, use your finger to check. Poke about 2 inches into the soil. If it's still damp, just hold off. Overwatering is just as dangerous as underwatering and can lead to root rot, nutrient leaching, and even plant death. And the 5th mistake, well, it's using the wrong watering tools or methods. A high-pressure hose might seem convenient, but honestly it can compact the soil or damage young plants. Sprinklers, waste a lot of water and aren't ideal for all crops. Instead, try a watering wand with a gentle shower head or maybe a drip irrigation system for slow, steady hydration. For container plants, a watering can gives you control and precision. Matching your tools to your garden's size and needs really makes a huge difference. So, to recap, water deeply but less often, do it early in the day, target the soil, not the leaves, check moisture levels with your fingers, and use tools that respect your plants. These 5 fixes can dramatically improve your garden's health and productivity. If this video helped you rethink your watering habits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update from Gentle Herb Living. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest watering mistake, or what's worked best for you? Until next time, keep it natural, keep it intentional, and keep it growing.